CVRA Stock Analysis and Savara Stock Prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Having done 37,000 videos, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. You know, I know what's making me money and what's not. And with CVRA, it's bearish market. Like right now, we have an upcoming earning report, which is going to be quite crucial and obviously interesting. But with CVRA, like to begin with, I'm not saying like it's bearish forever, but as of right now, we're in this correction phase. And if you ask me, Mr. Siko, when are you going to be bullish? If I start seeing breaks above, that is 291, you know, then it's all good. Then, you know, I'm bullish and all that good stuff. But yeah, if the rules are not met, then I'm just not forcing anything, really. So that's how CVRA looks like. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.